Today, we're diving into Eureka Surveys, an online survey platform that promises to reward you for your opinions. But is it really worth your time, or just another way to collect your data? Let's find out. Eureka Surveys allows users to participate in surveys and earn rewards, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. The platform is designed for anyone looking to make some extra money from home, but it's important to understand how it actually works. Signing up is straightforward and the interface is relatively user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through available surveys. However, while the concept sounds appealing, the actual earning potential can feel limited. Some users report receiving surveys infrequently, and the payout threshold can be a hurdle for those wanting quicker returns. One notable aspect is the variety of surveys available. They cover a range of topics, which can keep things interesting. On the flip side, many surveys can be disqualified after you've invested time, which can be frustrating. Overall, while the platform has a solid premise, parts of the user experience feel a bit lacking. Let's talk about the pros and cons of Eureka Surveys. On the positive side, it's free to join and you can earn some rewards for sharing your thoughts. The variety of surveys can keep you engaged and the cash out options are flexible. However, there are some significant downsides. Many users express frustration over the frequency of available surveys, and getting disqualified after spending time on a survey is a common complaint. Plus, the payout threshold can feel high compared to the time invested. It may not be the best fit for those looking for a steady income stream, and casual users might find the rewards insufficient for the effort involved. In conclusion, Eureka Surveys could be worth a try if you're looking for a way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. But if you're seeking a reliable income source, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's decent, but keep your expectations in check.